Imagine being able to automatically group products based on whether or not they meet certain search or filter criteria. That's exactly what you can do with dynamic categories in Struct PIM. Let me show you what I mean. Let's go to our PIM area here, open up one of our catalogs. When we right click on a catalog, we have the option to create a category below it. So let's click create category. And one of the options that we've got here is this dynamic category option. So where standard categories allow us to manually place products within them, a dynamic category allows us to automatically categorize products based on whether or not they meet certain criteria. So let's click dynamic category. So here we can create the dynamic category by giving it a name and then filling out this featured specifications, which happens to be a part of a required property in this data model. But instead of doing that, let's just open up one of our existing dynamic categories to see what is possible here. So let's take this outlet category. We can see that it has a small gear icon right next to the folder icon, and this means that it's a dynamic category. When we right click the dynamic category, we have this edit classification query where we can basically build out rules and criterias for products before they are included in this category. So here we can create super powerful searches by using AND operators. We can also use an OR operator to really dig into the different set of criterias. So let's just remove this. Right now, the criteria here is that the data field highlight has to equal on sale. So let's go back to the outlet and open it. And here we can see all the products that actually live up to this search criteria. So as you can imagine, this is super powerful because we can basically just create categories that are auto-populated with products according to the specific search criteria of the dynamic categories. And that's it about dynamic categories in Struct PIM. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to also watch some of our other feature highlights.